Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at the Mumbai airport. I am going to Karaikudi, which is a small town in Tamil Nadu. So I am going from Mumbai to Trichy, and then it's going to be a 2-hour road journey. My Masi stays there and my brother is getting married, so that's why we're headed there. I don't know how much I'm going to get to vlog because it's a wedding, but I'm very excited to show you guys a little bit of what I'm going to be doing over there. My boarding has started, so I'm going to quickly tell you guys that I'm going from the 8th to the 11th, so it's going to be a 3-day vlog. And I also just visited the airport lounge over here, which is the Adani lounge. This was my very first time going over there, so I'm going to add a few clips. Didn't shoot much because बहुत ज़्यादा लोग थे वहाँ पर और मैं थोड़ी सी कॉन्शियस हो रही थी शूट करने, to be very honest. But let me show you guys what the lounge look like, and then we're going to fly. Over here, सब पूना और चेन्नई से आए हैं लोग. You can hear the chitter chatter in the background. यहाँ से हम जा रहे हैं लंच करने. I am very hungry, so I am excited for the lunch. After lunch हम निकलेंगे कारेकुड़ी के लिए, जो है 2 hours का journey यहाँ से. Reach the restaurant, super hungry. It's called Sri Sangeeta S. Let's see what everyone orders at the lunch table. बहुत भूख लगी है, so let's go. Meals have arrived. We have a bunch of different items. The lighting is very poor, though. Sorry for the shadows. My mom is going to have that, but I am ordered for parota kurma and some dahi chawal. My parota kurma is here. मेरे मासी का दही चावल आ चुका है और सांभर चावल भी आ चुका है. टेबल बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है guys. This video is going to be very chaotic because I'm going to be switching camera angles a lot. But this parota kurma is so good. I dropped some. Amazing. Reached our resort here in Karaikudi. It's called Thapa Garden Resort. The place is very cute. I don't know if you guys can hear the music in the background. I think some event is going on. But यहाँ से हम जाने वाले एक दूसरे गांव जिसका नाम है आयंगुड़ी. तो मेरे मासी का जो family home है, that is over there, and they are having a small pre-wedding function over there. I think it's called Thali Puja, which is like the Mangal Sutra ka puja. So I'm heading for that. I'm going to get ready now. I have been in transit since morning. You all must have seen a few clips. So we went to a Ganesh temple and then we had some tea, and that's what it's been so far, because this place is so on the outskirts, or rather so in the interiors, that we've had a lot of traveling to do, but also the trip is a little bit chaotic because we're on a time crunch, but I'm having a great time still. And I'm going to show you guys around this resort maybe tomorrow because it's too late now. Place looks nice and I'm excited to stay here and show you guys more. I'm very sorry if this is seeming rushed, but I just want you guys to experience this with me. So just like go with the flow, like I'm going with the flow. We have just sat down to have dinner. I'm having my meal on a banana leaf, and I did not shoot much of the event because I wanted to be present for the event and not end up only shooting, holding the mic closer to my mouth because there's a lot of noise over here. But we're sitting under a tree and we're eating. The food is here and I'm just waiting to dig in. But I'm going to show you guys first what I mean. This is what my dinner looks like. There's a mini dosa, there's a naan, we have some idli and sambar. There is idiyappam with, I don't know what this is called, I forgot. There's chutney, vada, pineapple shira, and that's pal paniyaram. That's paniyaram in coconut milk. My plate looks quite nice and everyone's eating here. My whole family is eating here.
The next day.
Good morning guys. I know this is going super chaotic, but I really can't do much because the day is already sort of pre-planned. I have today evening and tomorrow free, so let's see what I do. I don't know yet because I'm going to be all by myself. Vidur bhi mere saath nahi hai, so I'm kind of missing him. And we're headed to the wedding right now, so wo 12 baje tak khatam ho jayega. So looking forward to my breakfast and lunch. It's really early over here. It's 7 o'clock. I know I couldn't show you guys much of yesterday. Let's hope that today is a little bit different. Even if it's not, I hope you guys are just enjoying this chaotic journey with me. We're on a time crunch, which is why, you know, everything is looking very pushed together and too many things happening at once. But this is how it generally goes when you're on a short trip. So let's go, let's get on with the second day here. Let's see how it goes. I had promised a walk around the property, वो भी नहीं हो पाया है क्योंकि हम कल बहुत late आए. But these are the rooms on either side. They are done up so well. They have those you know, typical Athangudi tiles over here everywhere. I think each room has different tiles and it's very nice and green. Let me just show you guys around our room and what our room looks like. मेरी मम्मी आ गई है बाहर. So we had called for an extra bed. It's in a mess because I'm showing you at checkout time, but let me zoom out. Look at the tiles. So the tiles here are really beautiful and that's the speciality. They have some good tiles. I'm looking forward to going to a tile where they make these tiles basically. So let's see if that happens. I love how, you know, each room is made like a cute little cottage. It's really cute. My mom is pushing the bags because I'm shooting, so I'm going to catch up with her and help her with the bags now. This is the hotel lobby area. It's so beautiful. It's got that house with a courtyard feel to it. Tall ceilings, tinted windows, beautiful tiles. And over there, I'm not walking till there, but there is this really massive chess board over there. And look at it. Really like how this place looks.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
So we just visited a temple. It's called Ten Tirupati. Ten means south in Tamil. So इसको बहुत माना जाता है. इसे almost तिरुपति जितना माना जाता है. After this now we are headed to the wedding venue. माइक यहाँ पकड़ा है क्योंकि नहीं तो मेरा voice capture ही नहीं होता है. So हम लोग इसके बाद जा रहे हैं wedding venue. Wedding venue के on the way there is this thing. It's called a 1,000 window house and you're not allowed to enter. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like from outside. It's a very famous touristy attraction over here in Karaikudi. I've seen it multiple times, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Also, I'm very happy with the way my no makeup look has turned up today. If you guys can see, I just have some eyeliner, some lipstick, blush, and I have concealed my under eyes. बाकी कुछ नहीं डाला है मैंने face पे. Under eyes भी मैंने बहुत minimally conceal किया है because I have really dark under eyes. So you can see that my marks and my acne and my pores are all visible, but it's not looking that bad. The glow is all thanks to the sweat. Let me know if you would like to see this makeup look and I can do a short video on it. So this is like the 1,000 window house. It's still here. Can't go in because obviously it's someone's house and it's a heritage home, so we're just seeing it from outside. I wish these places were open for all to see.
Not allowed.
Puri bhaji, sweet chutney, idli, this coconut milk, appam, pongal, vada and dosa, and our breakfast is served. My lunch is here. We have some korma, chapati, rice, biryani. This is gobi. And I have forgotten the name of all the other things. It's around 4 o'clock and I'm back to Ayangudi. This is my Masi's family home. The rest of my family has left for Pune and Chennai. I'm still here because I did not get any return flights of today's day. So I'm going back on the 11th, as you guys already know. So here abhi we're just going to chill for a bit because the wedding is over and I have changed into comfy clothes. It's really hot over here. So I'm just going to be catching up on sleep or I'll watch some Netflix for now. There's no plan made for the evening yet. Tomorrow, however, I might go to a plantation that belongs to my brother. So वहाँ जाने के लिए I'm pretty excited. I do hope I go there and I'll definitely tell you guys more about it when I go there. Yeah, you guys have seen a few clips of the wedding. I did not want to put too much of it because it's not my special day, it's someone else's special day and I did not want to, like, you know, have it on display. There's a lot of food clips because that's what I've been doing this entire trip. बहुत सारा खा रही हूँ मैं और काफ़ी enjoy भी कर रही हूँ खाना. So I hope you guys are also kind of enjoying this little bit of a chaotic vlog that I am putting out. But yeah, that's about it for now. I hope I will see you guys in the evening. We are getting ready to welcome the bride and groom, guys. So, मासी इसको क्या बोलते हैं तमिल में?
Kolam Rangoli.
Kolam Rangoli, and she's going to do it super fast, by the way. They're really quick at this. So look at it, it's all ready. It's looking so beautiful. She's made it. So pretty.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. It's day 3 over here and I am up since 7 a.m. It's around 10 a.m. now and the sun is like hot and heavy on the head. But we're going to soon head to the farm that I was telling you guys about. I'm going to go now and maybe in the evening to catch the sunset because my brother was telling me the sunset looks great from there. So I'm really looking forward to that. I'll show you around that farm and tell you more about it when I'm there itself. So last night we didn't really do much. I was just sitting with my Masi and her family and yeah, there were people at home, so we were just like talking to everybody and then we had a good dinner and we slept really late. I ended up talking to my sister for a really long time, which was really nice. But हाँ बस उतना ही हुआ यार, कल कुछ ज़्यादा happening नहीं था. Wedding था तो everyone was very tired, so we didn't do much. आज भी ज़्यादा कुछ होगा नहीं happening. It's going to be very slow, but I'm really looking forward to this. I'm having a great time and I had some really crispy dosas for breakfast. Now my breakfast is done and I'm ready to go. So we have managed to see 2 peacocks right here. Oh, where is the other one? Here. Oh wow. It's evening time and मैं यहाँ आ गई हूँ मेरे brother के plantation में. Actually हम सुबह भी आए थे but I didn't shoot in the morning. It was really hot, so I was like all covered with my dupatta and I did not shoot in the morning, but I came back here so that I could show you guys around this place. You can see halka sa sunset behind me. This place is called Airavan. It's in Karaikudi and they have almost 2,000 trees. They have 1,850 trees and what they have is mahogany, rosewood, red sandalwood and a few other trees that they are growing over here, and it's really beautiful. These trees are around about 2 years old almost, and it's so nice to be in such a place. It's nice and windy right now, so I'm having a great time. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है मुझे, and I'll probably show you around with my brother so I can show you which tree looks like. It's just a small part. I know it might get a little boring for some of y'all, but I would really like you guys to see this place. Right now I am standing next to a sapling that's a red sandalwood sapling and this is around 1.5 years old. And अगर आप लोगों ने movie देखी है Pushpa 2, so in that they are smuggling that, and cutting and selling red sandalwood is actually illegal in India, and they're just growing this over here. There are a bunch of rules that my brother knows of, but he's too shy to come on camera and talk to us about it. This is what a red sandalwood sapling looks like. Look at the leaves, nice big leaves. They have like this sheen to it, very pretty. So there are this entire line is red sandalwood saplings. I know this isn't much and that there's a tree in the middle, but I'm still enjoying the sunset. I'm back from the plantation. बाल काफ़ी चंपू लग रहे हैं. That's because I'm super sweaty. And मेरे पीछे का मैंने आपको already sunset दिखा दिया. It's looking really beautiful right now over here. I know that the videos from the plantation was not very fruitful क्योंकि मैंने ढंग से shoot नहीं की. To be honest, I don't have much information. Like I don't know much about the trees and little bit whatever my brother was telling me, I was trying to convey it to you guys. But I had a great time there. It was also very windy, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा shoot नहीं कर पाई ढंग से. वहाँ पर बहुत आवाज़ capture नहीं हो रहा था basically. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this very chaotic video, as I've already said multiple times that it is a chaotic one, but I'm so happy that I get to share this experience with you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like and don't forget to share this video. And share तो क्या ही करोगे आप, so I don't expect shares, but like तो ज़रूर कर लेना. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also leaving Vidur's channel here. He was not on this trip, but I really missed him a lot, so don't forget to subscribe to his channel as well. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.